Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vijayalakshmi Behra, Senior Consultant of NICU of Chaitanya Hospital. Today we are going to discuss on cranial ultrasound or ultrasound of head. Now what is a head ultrasound? It is a safe and painless test that uses sound waves to make images of the brain. The black and white images show the internal structure of the brain including the ventricles, that is the fluid filled cavities in the brain, and the blood vessels. It is done on babies younger than 9 months old whose skull bones have not completely grown together, that is, when fontanelles are still open. This is because bones block the passage of ultrasound waves. The fontanelle provides an opening for the sound waves to get through and reach the brain. These sound waves are not harmful. It is a painless and harmless procedure. Now, why it is done? When there is a concern about the neurological problems in an infant, in premature babies who require intensive care, head ultrasounds are done to rule out bleeding in the brain, that is, ruling out intraventricular hemorrhage or any injury to the white matter of the brain surrounding the ventricles, that is, periventricular leukomalacia. When there is an abnormal increase in the head size or hydrocephalus, when there is a bulging fontanelle, if there is any hypoxic brain injury, any neurological symptoms like seizures, a mass in the brain such as a tumor or a cyst, any suspected complications of meningitis, any antenatally detected CNS malformations like meningomyelocele, choroid plexus cyst, or absence corpus luteum, callosum, etc. When it is done, in preterms, first scan is done within 48 to 72 hours of life to detect the intraventricular hemorrhage. A second scan is done usually at first to second week of life. A third scan is done at third to fourth week of life. A fourth scan at term equivalent age. We can also do cranial ultrasound as and when depending upon the clinical indication. In sick symptomatic preterm or term babies, it is usually done immediately after birth or when decided clinically. Follow-up scans for above abnormalities can be done at 1 to 2 weeks intervals. Now coming to the preparation, we do not have to do any special preparation for your child for a head ultrasound. Coming to the procedure, the head ultrasound will be done bedside in the NICU of our hospital by a portable ultrasound machine. It can be done with the baby on his or her back in the room, which is usually made dark so that the images can be seen clearly on the computer screen. A radiologist will spray a clear warm gel on your baby's scalp over the fontanelle. This gel helps with the transmission of the sound waves. The transducer, that is probe, will emit high frequency sound waves and a computer measures the sound waves that bounce back from the brain. The computer changes those sound waves into images to be analyzed. The whole procedure usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. The results will be interpreted by a trained radiologist and then the information will be given. If the test results appear abnormal, then the doctor may order further tests. Usually there is no risk associated with the health ultrasound. Babies sometimes cry during the procedure, but this won't interfere with the procedure. Our trained NICU staff will help in assisting the procedure and comforting your baby. Thank you.